Taglab team na may 7 wins at cash prize na halos kalahating milyong piso.
Naku, laki nito.
Siyempre, alam niyo na ito, malalaki na kayo. Ang mananalo ay tatanggap ng 20,000 at pasok na sa weekly finals bukas! Bukas! Oo.
Kung beat the champion lang naman. Gusto ko ilabas si Basti.
Sa tono yun.
Beat the champion.
Anong laban?
Beat the champion. Bubugbugin yung champion. Dadaganan lang nung talo na yun.
Dahil beat the champion, bossing, nakikibit na rin ang barangay. Meron din kami
Meron din
rito.
po.
Talaga ba?
man.
Lola's playlist sa
Meron kayo dyan?
Meron kami.
Pamato rin po kami dito, bossing.
Kasi ang top 2 na mananalo bukas ay makakaharap na si Francis.
Naku.
Okay?
Bukas.
Ano, simulan na natin.
Simulan
Simulan natin. Simulan natin.
Simulan
Ano,
natin.
Dito muna tayo sa Broadway.
Opo.
Meron kayo dyan? Meron kami
Meron
dito.
kami, bossing.
Oh.
Ito'y sa amin.
Yan na.
Contestant number 1, 5 years old pa lang nang matutong kumanta. Marunong tumugtog ng organ.
Aba, matindi ito. Kakantahin niya ang pinasikat ng top charting female vocalist of the late 1950s and the early 60s na si Connie. Connie.
Sino Connie to?
Francis. Francis pa rin, oh. Okay.
From Marilao, Bulacan,
Oy.
12 years old. Ito na si Crisley May Abadilla para sa Never on a Sunday.
Aba.
La 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 Kiss me on a Monday, a Monday, a Monday is very, very good. But you can kiss me on a Tuesday, a Tuesday, a Tuesday. In fact, I wish you would. You can kiss me on a Wednesday, a Thursday, a Friday, Saturday's best. But never, never on a Sunday, a Sunday, a Sunday, 'cause that's my day of rest. Come any day, and you'll be my guest. Any day you say, but my day of rest. Just name the day that you like the best. Only stay away on my day of rest.
Nagre-rest lang.
Never on a Sunday.
Come any day, and you'll be my guest. Any day you say, but my day of rest. La 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 la
Oh, ganyan
Ayun.
makahaba hininga nyo dyan
Thanks,
sa barangay.
Thank
Connie
you.
ang dating.
Sally, Connie.
Connie Francis.
Anong
salita iyon?
Alin?
Ano
Yung una, yung una.
Oo nga.
Ano?
Ano ba yung Italian ba yun? Italian?
Italian.
Parang
Oh,
great.
Italian
Parang
yun,
hindi.
Italian. Si Connie
Italian
Francis
yun,
ay may
great.
lahi eh.
Italian.
May lahi siya Italian. Tsaka meron siyang mga ano. Meron siyang mga kantang Italian. May album siyang Italian eh.
Si Connie Francis.
Oo, Connie Francis.
Okay. O, kayo naman. Ipakilala
Ay,
nyo na
nako.
yung contestant nyo dyan.
Eto.
Ayan.
Contestant number 2.
Contestant number 2. Balita ko, 6 years old pa lang siya, kumakanta na siya.
Hindi na siya nagsalita, kumanta
Hindi
agad.
nakanta na agad. At parehong choir member ang mga magulang daw niya.
Yan.
Kaya naman pala.
Ayan, ako, ang Lola's Playlist hit na pinasikat ng American singer na si Nat King Cole.
Yan yung
oh.
pumapanik sa building, di ba?
King Kong
King
yun.
Kong yun. Iba.
At itong kanta ito, nirelease ito noong 1964.
Oh, nakita nyo na?
From Quezon City, here's 12 years old, Joshua Dale Guerrero. To sing L-O-V-E.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. Now E is even more than anyone that you adore. Then love is all that I can give to you. Oh, love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore. Then love is all that I can give to you. Oh, love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. Oh, love was made for me and you. Oh, love was made for me and you.
Thank you, Joshua.
Thank you. Joshua and Grizzly.
Mamaya, malalaman na natin kung sino sa kanilang dalawa ang magkakaroon ng chance na makakaharap si Francis. At
Yes.
kami,
Bubunot na.
Galing. Galing itong mga bata na to, no?
gagaling, no?
Nat King
Mahirap
Cole
yun.
yun, Nat King Cole.
Nat King Cole naman yan.
Yes.
Yung lalaki, ang init ng boses, ano?
Oh, Mosing.
Hindi ka ba nung painit, no?
Yung kanina pala, parang Joey, ano, hindi pala Italian yun, ano.
Oh, Greek nga yun. Greek.
Greek,
Idumigil
Greek,
yung
Joey.
Greco.
Greco.
At saka kanta ng ano.
Pakis siya ng pakis.